were falling like flies on the far side. Give the special team some credit. They mowed him down, and then Jason Wilson hit the afterburner about midfield. Lane Whitby on to try the extra point out of the Brett Walters hold. It's down, it's up, it's good, and with 14 seconds gone in the game, the Tigers lead it 7-0. We'll be back with the kickoff in 30. They had the right play called. They had the blitz coming, and they gave it to Showers on the draw, and if not for the open field tackle, it would have been at least first down yardage. Well, here comes the field goal attempt. Lance Whitby on. He'll hit it from the 23. It's a 33-yarder. It's down. It's up. He's got plenty of leg. It's good. Lane Whitby from 33 yards out, and the Tigers lead it 10-0 with 6:29 to go first quarter. We'll be back with the kickoff in 30 seconds. It was a 91-yard reverse handoff from Bishop to Wilson, and he went down the far sideline 91 yards to put the first score up on the board 14 seconds in. And now Lane Whitby trying for his second field goal. This will be from the 20, so this will be a 30-yarder out of the Brett Walter hold. He's got plenty of leg on it, and he splits the uprights for the second time. Lane Whitby 2 for 2 now, and the Tigers got 13 up on the board with 11:35 to go. Shelley still looking to score. We'll be back with the kickoff in 30 seconds.
Holding for the Tigers. But that didn't matter. Lane Whitby on now for the extra point. Brett Walter to hold. Snap. Whitby's kick. Drills the upright. It's good. Fifth time, Lane Whitby's kicked the ball. 2 field goals, 3 extra points, and with 6 minutes and 22 seconds left to go in the first half, the Jerome Tigers on top, 27-0. We'll be back in